Now, dear student, your next topic is plains. Plains having gentle slope. Gentle slope means सामान्य ढाल. Average height of the plains are 100 to 200 meters from the sea level. Plains are considered good for the production of crops. Actually, these plains are formed by the action of river, because river get flooded during the rainy seasons, and due to flood condition, it's carry huge amount of sediments, silt from the mountain areas, which deposited over the plain regions. This process is going on, and naturally plain regions become fertile by following these process. Actually, civilization of the world, like Harappa civilization, which flourished. Similarly, civilization of Mesopotamia also flourished near the bank of river. Egyptian civilization also flourished. Flourished means palna or badna. Flourished near the bank of river Nile. So by this way, dear student, we can say river valley area more populous, more population live in these regions, because due to fertile land and availability of water. Water is very essential for the surviving of life. Besides, these waters are also used for irrigating crops, which is useful for the existence of life. In the case of India, the northern plain regions formed by the action of Ganga river. Beside, Brahmaputra river also helped for the formation of plain region in Assam Valley. Similarly, Indus river formed the Great Plain area in Pakistan. Same conditions also we can observe in China. Wangho river, responsible for the formation of Great Plains in China. So we can say plains are more fertile lands, low laying area, good for the production of crops, more populations live in these regions. These are the few information regarding this topic, plains. Now, dear student, we are going to start your next topic, atmosphere, which is known as realms of air. It means in atmosphere there is presence of air. Actually, dear student, atmosphere surround the earth's surface. But here is one question: how these air which presents in the atmosphere joined with the surface of the earth The answer is due to gravitational force of the Earth's surface. Earth gravity attract these air. That is why it's not move from the surface of the Earth. Air is very essential for the existence of life. Air is made up with the help of so many elements. For example, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, krypton, argon, etc. These all are found in our atmosphere. But the percentage of air are vary from one to another. Highest percentage covered by the nitrogen, 78%. Beside, the percentage of oxygen is 21%. So we can say 78% and 21%. It's become how many? 99%. 99% atmospheric air covered by the nitrogen and oxygen. These all have their own importance. Like nitrogens help to dilute. Dilute means patla karna, halka karna. Help to dilute the oxygen, through which minimize the burning position. Beside, oxygen is essential for the life, for the biosphere, for our breathing process, and also fire take place due to presence of oxygen. If oxygen not presence at our house and we try to set a fire, it is impossible. Beside, if nitrogen not presence, only oxygen presence, then fire take place at a very fast rate, which is harmful for the life. So, they have their own importance. Carbon dioxide, which is about 0.03% on the surface, also very essential for the existence of life. What happened if carbon dioxide completely removed from the surface? The Earth's surface fall under the frozen condition, covered with the ice, because temperature become very low. For increasing temperature on the surface, there is a need of this gas, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide maintain temperature on the surface. Beside, carbon dioxide used by the plants for food making process. Plants made their food in the presence of sunlight with the help of CO2, water and sunlight. So, CO2 is also very important. But beside, due to a rampant manner of cutting of the plant, the amount of CO2 will increase, through which temperature also increase, which is not good for the life. So these are the information regarding carbon dioxide. One another layer of the gases presence in the atmosphere, which is known as ozone gas. Ozone gas found in ozone layer. There are so many layers of the layer in the atmosphere, like troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, magnetosphere, exosphere. These are the layer of the atmosphere. In sequence, we can say MST. From below part of the surface, first one is the T, troposphere. Thereafter, stratosphere. Thereafter, mesosphere. Mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. Troposphere in Hindi known as Chhob Mandal, also known as changing sphere of air, changing sphere of atmospheric layer. Every weather phenomena like rains, thunders, sunlights, all the weather phenomena take place in this layer. Between the mesosphere and stratosphere, there is a presence of ozone layer, which is work as a filter. Ozone layer in which there is presence of ozone gas, work as a filter. This gas filtered the ultraviolet rays which come from the sun, which allow these rays to move towards the surface after filtering. If directly these rays come on the surface, it's harmful for the plants as well as for the human beings. It's damage our life and also damage our skin. So ozone gas also play a very vital role in the atmosphere. Beside water vapor, gases, other gases and dust particles also found in the atmosphere, which is helpful for the weather phenomenon. Cloud formation take place by following the process of condensation with the help of these elements which lies in the atmosphere. The density of air is higher towards the Earth's surface. When we move upward from the Earth's surface, the density of air becomes thinner. As conclusion, we can say that atmosphere, it means the realm of air, is very essential for the existence of life. Our scientists trying to found that if the presence of atmosphere also in other planet, our studies are going on, because the presence of atmosphere on the other planets determine the existence of life on the same planets in future. So these are the few information regarding this topic, atmosphere. Thank you.